In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting via the meeting invitation link. Whether you're a seasoned Teams user or logging in for the first time, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. To start, when you receive a meeting invitation in your email or calendar, you'll notice a direct meeting link included. This is your gateway to the Teams meeting. All you need to do is click that meeting link. Once you click on the link, you'll be directed to a new page, which serves as a hub for launching your meeting experience in Microsoft Teams. At this point, you'll have a few different options depending on your current setup. If you already have the Microsoft Teams app installed on your device, you'll see an option to open it directly. This is typically the quickest and most straightforward method since the app is designed to provide a seamless meeting experience. If you prefer not to or can't use the app, don't worry. You can also join the meeting on the web. This means you'll be using a web browser like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome to join your meeting. This option is particularly handy if you're using a device that doesn't have the Teams app installed, or if you're accessing it from a computer where installing new software isn't ideal. The web interface is intuitive and offers most of the key features you'll need for the meeting. Now, what if you realize you don't have the Teams app installed yet and would prefer to use it for a more integrated experience? You'll notice an option on the page to download the Teams app. It's a good idea to consider this, especially if you'll be attending Teams meetings frequently, as the app might offer some extra functionalities and typically runs a little smoother than the web version. Before you join, there's another step if you aren't signed into a Microsoft Teams account. In this case, the platform will prompt you to enter your name. This is how you'll be identified during the meeting if you're joining as a guest. There's no need to set up an entire account for this. Simply entering your name will suffice for the one-time attendance. Alongside entering your name, you'll also be asked to choose your audio and video settings. This is your chance to ensure your microphone and camera are set up correctly before joining the call. You may want to double-check your surroundings and sound to ensure you're ready for a professional meeting environment. After entering your details and selecting your settings, you'll find a prominent option labeled Join Now. Go ahead and click this, and you'll be taken directly into the meeting. Remember, preparation is key, so even if this is your first time using Teams, with this knowledge, you'll be able to join your meeting without any hassle.